With the Lok Sabha elections coming up, it seems like Karnataka BJP has already taken its first step with former Chief Minister Jagadish Shettar rejoining BJP on January 25th, 9 months after switching to the Congress. He's an influential Lingayat leader. However, he had lost the assembly election as a Congress candidate from Hubli Dharwad Central to BJP's Mahesh Tenge Nakai. Congress feels betrayed over this decision, and though Shettar says that he has given his resignation over email, Congress says it has not yet received it. Does the BJP want him back for Lingayat votes? Will this make a difference in the upcoming elections? Will former BJP leaders who are in Congress quit and rejoin BJP? Let us talk to senior journalist Nahid Ataullah to find the answers to these questions.
So the first thing is, ma'am, do you see that Jagdish Shettar's exit is going to be a blow to Congress now in the upcoming Lok Sabha elections?
No, it will not make any impact to the Congress because when Jagadish Shettar joined, there were a lot of expectations that he would bring in the Lingayat votes also, which was the BJP.
Yeah.
But after the results, what we see is that the BJP's vote share has remained 36% what it was in the 2018 assembly election, which means to say that the Lingayat votes were intact with the BJP. And also when Shettar came to the party, he came alone, not a single corporator or any member of the local body followed him. So now that he has exited, now that he has gone, nobody else is also going to follow him.
Also, ma'am, what do you expect? What do you think that why did BJP, invited him? Because he had anyway failed the assembly elections, like you had mentioned, and like you already said that they had the Lingayat base, whatever they had in the previous term. So why have they retained him back?
It's basically a case of trying to build up confidence among the people. See, Jagadish Shettar is a Lingayat, hails from the Lingayat community, but his leadership is confined to Mumbai, Karnataka, which is now known as Kittur, Karnataka. So we cannot compare him with Yediyurappa, that he is a mass-based leader or a Lingayat leader. And what KPCC President D.K. Shivkumar said, it only demonstrates that the BJP is losing confidence, which is why they are trying to ask people who had left to come back or trying to poach.
So, do you think with the Yediyurappa, it's their family who are taking most of the decisions for BJP right now. Are the Lingayats going to vote for BJP again now in this Lok Sabha elections?
That is a conjecture. We don't know whether the Lingayat vote will stay intact because Lok Sabha elections for the last 10 years, whether be it the 2014 election or the 2019 election, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been the face of the BJP. So the Lingayat factor comes into effect when there is a assembly election.
So we don't really expect that this at least Lingayat factor would impact the Lok Sabha elections for now at least.
The Lok Sabha elections, the issues are different.
Yeah.
So it more than the caste factor. Of course, when it comes to selection of candidates, caste and region play a major role. But when it comes to issues, they look at the national level. Whether by sending that many number of MLAs to the parliament, will that party get a majority to form the government?
Also, lastly, ma'am, though Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has said that other former BJP leaders who are in Congress now will not quit Congress, but do you think that leaders like Lakshman Savedi and others can follow the same thing and they might quit Congress now ahead of the elections?
So we cannot predict because floor crossing by politicians during elections is common.
Yeah.
So we did not expect that Shettar, who came into the party and had vowed that he will never go back to the BJP, went to the BJP. So we cannot say anything on that. It depends. It depends on opportunity. If they see a better opportunity in another party, they will quit X party or Y party to join some other party.